Hi there, and welcome to my wheel thrown pottery series. Today we're going to discuss clay selection. Now, it's always been regarded that actually centering is the most important part of wheel throwing. Well, I'm going to go out on a limb here and say that every aspect of wheel throwing is important. It's just that some are more interesting and exciting than others, and generally clay selection isn't regarded as being that exciting. However, it is very important. A couple of colleagues of mine spent a long time being unable to centre their clay, and essentially it was because they were using the wrong type of clay. So, what have we got here then? Well, we have BRS on my right hand here. Now, BRS is a very groggy, very gritty clay. Now, if you use this for wheel throwing, you'll find that it'll actually remove the skin from your fingers. It is a terrible clay to use to throw. It's generally not used at all for throwing, but could be used in a mix of other clays. It's actually a sort of a slab building, hand building type of clay, so don't use BRS. On the other hand, sort of almost at the other end of the scale, I suppose, is porcelain. Now, I love porcelain. Porcelain is a beautiful clay. It's not terribly forgiving, so it's not ideal for a beginner. It's very good for the complexion. I've been using it for years on my skin, and I'm only 35, and you can see what it's done for me. It's beautiful. However, not very good for wheel throwing if you are a beginner. So, what do I recommend? Well, probably Stoneware 5 or Stoneware 7, of which I have none. We're in the middle of a lockdown at the moment, and there's a shed up the road full of clay which I'm unable to access. And for those of you looking at this in the future, I'm not actually in an institution. It's the middle of a pandemic, and we're not allowed out. So I'm going to make do with what I have here. So if you can get hold of some clay, I would recommend Stoneware 5, Stoneware 7 as a good starting point. Thanks for watching.